Hello everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's video, we invited engineer Kai to explain how to wire the heating coil for the EPS hot melt machine. This operation should be performed only when the EPS hot melt machine is completely cooled down. The steps are as follows. 1. Open the junction box of the heating coil that needs to be replaced. 2. Disconnect all wires. 3. Use a screwdriver to loosen the long screws. 4. Remove the heating coil that needs to be replaced. 5. As shown in the video, use a screwdriver to loosen the 2 long screws at the connection of the spare heating coil. Six. Remove the metal plate used for fixation. The metal plate is only used for fixation during transportation and does not need to be installed inside the EPS hot melt machine. 7. Install the heating coil into the heating zone of the barrel, ensuring a snug fit. 8. Tighten the screws mentioned in step 2. 9. Loosen the 2 screws of the junction box and open it. 10. The polarity of the heating coil does not matter, as long as 1 live wire and 1 neutral wire can supply power to the heating coil. 11. Tighten the junction box. Under normal circumstances, please do not make any changes to it. On the one hand, there is a risk of burns, and on the other hand, it is a high-precision device that may malfunction if handled improperly. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.